Goodbye 2020. Welcome 2021. Hello to my YouTube family, wishing you all a very happy new year. Hard work is like the stair and luck is like the lift. Lift may fail sometimes, but whatever may be the occasion, a stair will always get you to the top. Life is like an echo. It all comes back. The good, the bad, the false, the truth. So, give the world the best you have and the best will come back to you. Do not place your mistakes on your head. Its weight may crush you. Place them under your feet to be used as a platform to reach higher. Only few loving hearts can easily identify some little lies in your smile and some little truth in your tears. Never let them go from your life. It's true that the way to avoid mistakes is to gain experience, but it's also equally true that the way to gain experience is to make mistakes. Try is a small word that can make big difference. If we try, it can only risk failure, but if we do not even try, we ensure failure. So never stop trying. A negative thinker sees a difficulty in every opportunity. A positive thinker sees an opportunity in every difficulty. So decide what you want to be in your life. People do not change when you tell them a better option. They change when they realize that there is no other option. That is the fact of life. No one can go back and make a new beginning, but anyone can start from here and make a happy ending. So start walking now. Do you know what is the secret of success? Yes, your right decisions. And how do you make right decisions? Through experience. And how do you get experience? Through your wrong decisions. Yes, that is life. Remember, anytime in your life, if you are still speaking about yesterday's achievement, it means you have not done anything worthwhile today. Delay is the enemy of efficiency, and waiting is the enemy of utilization. So do not delay any time and do not wait for anything. If you are capable of performing, do not be disappointed if the world refuses to help you. Remember the words of Einstein that I am thankful to all those who said no. It is because of them I did it myself. Once again, EduMitra wishes the entire family a very happy new year. Remember that today is the first blank page of your 365 pages book. Write a good one. That's it for today, guys. See you all. Have a good day. Bye bye.